Hey, good morning, you guys. Today I'm gonna work on a stand for a table saw that I ordered. Well, a stand, it's more like a table or whatever. It's gonna fit right here, I'll show you. So basically I want to build a small table right there. Alright, so let's get started. We'll start with the legs. I'm using 2x3s and my legs are going to be 30 inches. So I'm going to cut 4 of those. Alright, I've used 2x3s and those are the 2 long pieces I have left. Okay, what I'm going to do is cut these in 2 and these are going to be the cross pieces. Okay, I need 4 of those for the top and then I'm going to make 4 more for the bottom. So I'm going to measure these and find the center. And that'll be the length of my cross pieces. So it's 36.5. I'm just going to put the other 2 across here and 2 across there and I'll have my base. Now I need to cut 4 more pieces like this for the other side. There, I got my 4 legs in the center, my cross pieces on one side, and my cross pieces for the other side. So I'm ready to plane. I'm gonna plane those, make him look pretty. Alright, I'm done. I want to show you what I did exactly. Okay, I planed all the sides. It's really nice and shiny, and I chamfer the corners like this. What I did here is I just put a couple of blocks in my vise and I'm going to put my leg against it and the cross piece right flush against this block here, and in theory we are square. So that's gonna, it's like a small jig. That's all it is. So now I just gotta screw those in. It's just gonna save me a lot of time. There we go. We can cut that to size. And voila. I might even double it up. Alright, we'll go 22 by 22. Now I'm just gonna clear the things up above there. And I got a perfect place for my bandsaw.